What if I told you there's a way to go from $0 to $1,000 online? No experience, no showing your face, no money up front. Sounds crazy, right? But this underrated AI side hustle is helping complete beginners earn hundreds per week. Almost nobody's talking about it. Let's dive in. It's not dropshipping, not affiliate marketing alone, and no tech skills needed. All you need is free access to AI tools and the ability to follow simple steps. Not just the hustle. Faceless AI-generated short videos. We're talking faceless, viral-style short videos on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook, monetized through affiliate links or digital templates. Here's how to start. Step 1. Pick a viral niche. Choose a niche with mass appeal and monetization potential. Some hot ideas: relationship advice, daily motivation, AI tools, and money hacks, health and wellness, study hacks. Still stuck? Start with AI tools to make money. It's trending and great for affiliate links. Step 2. Create the content with AI. No camera, no editing experience needed. Use ChatGPT to write your script. Example: write a 30-second motivational quote script for Instagram Reels. Go to ElevenLabs for a realistic AI voiceover. Find video backgrounds on Pexels or Pixabay. Use CapCut templates to quickly edit and add text. Drag, drop, done. In under 20 minutes, you've got a pro-looking video, completely faceless. Step 3. Monetize the traffic. Here's how you make money from those views. 1. Affiliate products. Use platforms like ClickBank, Digistore24, or Gumroad. Example: promote an AI tool and earn $20 to $100 per sale. 2. Sell digital downloads. Use Notion, Canva, or Google Docs to make templates, AI prompt lists, planners, content calendars, etc. 3. Get paid for shoutouts. Once you hit 5K plus followers, brands will pay for promo. Rates start at $50 to $100 per post. Step 4. Stay consistent with automation. Success comes from consistency. Use tools like Repurpose.io, published to all platforms. Later or Metricool. Schedule posts. ChatGPT. Batch 30 scripts at once. CapCut. Crank out 10 videos in an hour. Post 3 videos daily across TikTok, Reels, and Facebook. That's 90 videos per month. Just 5 affiliate sales could bring in $500 plus. Scale across 2 to 3 niches and hitting $1,000 a month becomes predictable. Realistic 30-day timeline. Week 1. Learn tools. Post your first 5 videos. Week 2. Post daily. Test affiliate links. Week 3. 1 video blows up. 2 to 3 sales equals $60 to $150. Week 4. Double down. Add a $5 digital product. End month with $300 to $500. Month 2. 1,000 plus is in reach. Why this works in 2025. Short-form content is still booming. AI tools are better, faster, and free organic reach is alive on TikTok, Reels, and Facebook. You don't need skills or a big budget, just consistency and a plan. Quick growth hacks. Copy viral video formats in your niche. Start with emotional hooks. This AI tool replaces 3 employees. Always include a call to action. Use Card or Canva to build a mini landing page. Reinvest your first $200 into a Fiverr editor to scale. Avoid these mistakes. Don't expect instant virality. Don't spam low-quality content. Don't copy word for word. Add your twist. You're building a brand, even if it's faceless. You don't need money. You don't need skills. Just start. AI has leveled the playing field. And this faceless short-form hustle might be the easiest way to hit your first $1,000 in 2025. Let AI do the heavy lifting, because the only thing standing between you and real online income is that first video. Let's get it.